What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a wedding photographer cost calculator form just like this one into your WordPress website into a simple, fast, effective and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, okay? So imagine the following scenario. You do have a wedding photography site and you would like to offer for your customers an option and good option to calculate the price, to estimate the price, to have a quote into what you're gonna cost for you. How to do this? Go to your WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over the plugins field and hit the submenu add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're gonna be able to see a field. Empty field, click and type stylish cost calculator. Please install this one by design full. Click on install now, then click into the activate. As soon as you activate, you're gonna be redirected to this page right here, the welcoming page, a page where you can start a template using AI, using a template, or from the ground, from the zero, from the scratch. I'm gonna start with a template to make the process easier for you, okay? And right here, you're gonna choose the free templates once I do not want to have the needs of paying absolutely nothing. So choose the wedding photographer template. Wait a moment, this is gonna load for you the template and there's gonna be a preview into the right side of your screen, and to the left side an option where you can fully customize by dragging and dropping elements, contents. You can apply options, you can apply numbers, texts, you can change the language, you can apply some images sometimes, okay? So easy and very simple process, okay? All you have to do is drag and drop and have the form in the way that you want, okay? Also, you can preview the form, review how it gonna looks like into the live for your website users, okay, for your potential customers. And after doing your changes, make sure you hit the save change button into the upper side of your screen. After this, go to page and add new page, or go to a previously made page, okay? And we're gonna need to embed this form. I'm gonna need to apply this form into a page. I'm gonna add a new page. Always remember to enter a title for your page, then click into this plus button into type to add a block and search for stylish cost calculator. Select the widget, select the template name, then you're gonna be good to go and this template is gonna be on your page. You can publish the page, add new content on your page, and you are good to go. Let's review the results we got. And that is simple, easy, effective, and our cost calculator form. It's fully functional and working. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, WP Bakery, or Gutenberg block editor. And it's a totally free WordPress plugin. In addition, we have the best free WordPress theme that gives you pre-built websites. That is our Enzo WordPress theme. Also can be downloaded for free. In addition, in the case that you would like to submit your blog or to publish some content on some other blogs or to connect with a growing blogging community, to Trash, for marketing, for collaboration, go to growth with 3ws.net and review the platform. You can submit and find sites for free. Talking about free things, we have the sites.gallery website, a place where we can promote your site, your apps, your games, your landing pages, your stores, and all it's free as well. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium themes, plugins, options, icons, images, and many more content for you to create the site of our dreams and to use internet on your site's favor. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!